Hello there, this is my desktop pet robot and I named as Deskbuddy. First of all, this is not design emoji. Deskbuddy is a ESP32 based pet bot. It can show some iconic animations, weather forecast, time, etc. Unlike design emoji, you can use any ESP32 bot to build this robot. And the complete Arduino code and other files can be downloaded. Now let's see how I made this pet robot. Let's get started with this video. When I tried to build a design Mochi, I faced some issues, like Mochi firmware only runs on ESP32C3 Mini. The code is not completely open source, and the most importantly, showing some animation doesn't make any sense. So I started working on my design. My first goal was to display time and some emotions. So I grabbed the components. The first one is the brain, which should have good flash memory and should be tiny. By the way, you can use almost any ESP32 with Deskbuddy. After searching, I came into two choices, C3 Mini and S3 Mini. And I decided to go with the C3 Mini because it is cheaper than S3. Then we need a OLED screen. I am going with the 1.3 inch version. Next a touch switch, then battery, charging module and a on-off switch. You can buy all these components from our site. First I interface the display with ESP32. Then I refer different codes that is available in the internet. With the help of some other makers and Google Gemini, I created this code. Here is the code. I am using adapted GFX library to display details on the screen. Here you need to change your Wi-Fi credentials. I am using OpenWeatherMap API for fetching weather forecast and time. To get the API key, go to openweathermap.org. Then log in with your email. Then go to my API keys. Then name the API key and generate. Then you can see the API key. Now copy and paste the API key in our code. Also change the time zone, city and country. Now we can upload the code to ESP32. After uploading, you can see the working. Now to enclose everything properly and giving a proper look, I decided to make an enclosure. So I measured the dimensions of each components and started designing the enclosure in Thinker. After 2 days of tinkering and iteration, I got this design, which is currently perfect. The enclosure has two parts, front and back. I used my Babylab A1 3D printer to print the model. I printed the enclosure in white color PLA. Now to enclose everything, first I soldered each and every components together using the small wires by following the circuit. You can find the circuit diagram from website. After verifying again, I placed all components one by one in the enclosure. Finally, I closed the backup and seems almost perfect. This is the final loop and this is just like an airport. Well, I am satisfied with the outcome. What do you think about this? I am releasing it as an open source pet robot. That is, all the files can be downloaded from our site. I am also creating a Telegram channel for this. Please join there and share your ideas and makes. In the coming version, we can add motion detection, sound, color display, etc. Since I am connecting the battery to the 5V input, the backup is very low. So I am planning to regulate the voltage to 3.3V and then we can connect directly to 3.3V. Also I am planning to design a dedicated PCB for this, such a way we can reduce the building time. All the files used for this project can be downloaded from my website. Link is given in the video description. Also, you can purchase all components and 3D printed parts. So that's all about for today. Hope you enjoyed. I learned something new from this video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribe. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.